What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be checking out some truly wireless earbuds. Now, these are the Liberty Neo, which is by Soundcore, by Anker, and I picked this up on Amazon for approximately 70 bucks after taxes. You'll see it in the picture, as well as I'll post the link in the description below in case you guys want to check it out. Alright, so let's take a look at the box. So we have a sky blue with some white, pretty nice colored box. I dig it. Alright, so on the face of the box, we have Soundcore by Anker, Liberty Neo, total wireless earphones. It's an ultra compact design, which we can see right here. Looks pretty cool, actually. It is sweat resistant, so if you do go to the gym a lot, this shouldn't be a problem. Or if you just sweat in general a lot, this shouldn't be a problem at all. Up to 12 hours of playtime, which I'm pretty sure is combined between the earphones as well as the charging case. To the bottom here, we have pretty much nothing. To the side here, we have a picture of a guy. I don't know if he's falling or jumping, but he's doing something with a skateboard. But it does say Graphene enhanced sound. To the back here, we have to the other side, we have the same guy. Is it? Oh yeah, we have the same guy. Just looks like he's sitting down, chilling, enjoying the sound of this beautiful earbuds. Alright, so that's a picture of how this would kind of fit into your ear. And it says incredible sound, loved by 10 million plus people. That's a lot of people. Alright, so to the back here, we have, once again, Soundcore, Liberty Neo. We have a picture here of the earphones, and then we have just some features of it, which we'll go over. We have superior sound quality, enhanced by Graphene technology, ultra compact and lightweight design, 12 hours of playtime, which we get 3.5 hours on a single charge. So the charging case is probably adding to the 3.5, which will give you about 12 hours. Sweat resistant, Bluetooth 5 rock solid connectivity. Can't wait to try that out. And of course, we have the push and go one-step pairing. And that's pretty much the box, guys. I'm gonna go ahead, grab my knife, cut all the seals, and let's jump into what's inside the box, guys. Alrighty, guys, so all the seals have been broken, and let's jump into it. So to open this, you gotta kind of tilt it to this way and then give it a little tug, and then the little piece slides open, and then it just comes right out. So that's pretty cool. Hopefully that part helps. Now, before we take a look at the earphones, let's take a look at the accessories. So what we got here. So looks like this is the charging cable, which is a micro USB. Kinda wish it was a Type C because I have a bunch of Type Cs, but at least you have a micro USB and it will do the job. Alright, then we have a little bit of rubbers here. We have, okay, so these are the extra earbud ends if you guys want to switch them out, just to, you know, be a little bit more comfortable in your ear. And then this right here is just in case the earphone is not staying in your ear. This is like extra support just to help it stay in your ear, and it looks like they have two different sizes, so hopefully this will help you out as well. We have a little card right here. It says happy or unhappy. Now, if you're happy, go ahead and read that, you know, share it with Anker and all their social media that you enjoyed your headphones. And if you're not happy, email them. Hopefully they can solve your problem. And then we have a bunch of quick start guides, you know, in different languages, which you guys can check out afterwards. Alright, so let's take a look at the earphones. So starting off with the case, pretty cool black case. Looks really compact like it says on the box. And we have Soundcore Liberty Neo. There's all the information right there. Battery capacity, voltage, etc. Alright, and it looks like to the back here we have power, which obviously the micro USB will be plugging into to charge it up. Yep. Then to the front here, it looks like we have some LED lights. Let's kind of try to open it. Yep, so if you open it, it lights up. So right now it's about, I guess, two charged up. So we have 3 bars, 2 is charged, so not too bad. And if you open it, we have the earphones, guys. Alright, let's pop them out. Let's take a look inside there. Oh, so you guys can see the extra groove right there for the extra rubber support. There we go. It just looks like it fits right in that groove right there. So if you are going to use those, you can still store them in here and you don't have to keep taking them off, which is definitely a plus. Alright, the magnet strength feels pretty good on it. Yep, it's pretty good. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And that's the case. Alright, let's take a look at the earphones. So they're pretty tiny, super tiny. What can I use for comparison? Alright, so you know what? This is going to be a weird comparison, but the USB-A is a general size. There's not a big one or small one, or they're all one size. So if you guys have any kind of smart device, you have one of this and you know the size of it. This is the earbud. There we go, guys. It's pretty tiny. It's gonna fit in your ear pretty good. I'll post a picture right there so you guys can see how it looks in my ear at least. And yeah, and for extra feature, this is the ring I wear pretty much every day. There we go. Alright, so hopefully that helps with the size comparison, or just to give you guys an idea of the size of these earbuds. They're pretty small, not too small. And so we have branding. Looks like we have a mic right there. The speaker design. We have two mics. Yes, we do have two mics. Yes, we do. So you can use on either end of the earbuds. And it looks like they're beeping to go into pairing mode. So this is the right one. This is the left one. Let me go ahead and grab my smart device, which we're going to be using to set it up. So this is my Tab S2. Let's go straight over to Bluetooth. Alrighty, so we have the earbuds. They're blinking right there. I'm pretty sure that means that they're in pairing mode. Alright, let's go over to Bluetooth. Let me turn it off. Turn it on. We're going to start fresh. Alright, it's searching. It's searching. Can we find Anker? I don't see why. There it is, guys. It just popped up. Soundcore Liberty Neo. So that's all you got to do to pair it. Once you open it, it's flashing white, and it's going to be the right side that's going to be flashing the white. And then you just hear, or you hit, well, you hit the name, and it's going to stop blinking while it's trying to pair. Oh, it says can't connect. Alright, let's try this again. Come on. You can do it. Alright, let's go figure this out, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, guys, so I thought I was doing something wrong, so I went ahead and read through the little manual, and I was right about the pairing, so let's try it again. So let's turn on the Bluetooth. There we go. Let's pop up the earpieces, and they should just start to blink right away. There we go. They're both blinking, or the LEDs are both on. The left one stops blinking, the right one continues to blink, and you should find it. There we go. Soundcore Liberty Neo, and if we hit it, it should connect. Okay, there we go, guys. It worked. I don't know what was up the first time, but we got connected the second time. Alright, so let me go ahead, see how these sound. So get right back to you. Alrighty, so I played some tunes on these, and I must say I am super impressed by these earbuds, guys. These things sound pretty awesome. The bass, and this is just my opinion, guys, the bass and the low end sound really good. They're well balanced. It's not like one is overkilling the other one. They sound pretty good. They get loud, but not to a point where you can pretty much blow out your eardrums. They're comfortable, at least for me. I can probably see me rocking these for maybe about an hour to 2 hours the most in my ear. And you can use one at a time, guys. So that's pretty cool. I did notice, however, when if I'm on the right one and I'm speaking on the phone, you know, having a conversation with somebody on the phone, the right side tend to work independently on its own without a problem. But if I switch out and I put the right one back into the carrying case and I use the left hand one, or the left ear one, the bud just disconnects the minute the case is closed with the right one, guys. So this is something to note. The right side is the main one, so your device is connecting to the right earpiece, and then the right earpiece is transmitting to the left earpiece. Now I could be wrong. If I am, do comment down below, but that's just what I've been experiencing. Now let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Now first off, let me just hit play. Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let me just turn this up. You might be able to hear it. They get pretty loud, guys. They get super loud, and the sound quality is amazing. Alright, so coming back to the little thing I was telling you about. So let's say I just want to use one. I'm going to put back the left one, lock the case, and if you look at the Bluetooth logo over there, it stays on, right? We're still connected. Everything looks like it's working okay. Alright, so we're good to go. You can rock out with just the right side if you just want to use one. Alright, now let's say you want to rock it with the left side. I'm going to take back out the left side. Now, obviously, once you put the left side in, it does disconnect. You take it back out. It takes like maybe 2 seconds. It reconnects with the right side, and you're good to go again with your stereo sound. All right, so now I'm gonna put back the right side in, lock the carrying case, and keep your eye on the Bluetooth. I think it's gonna disconnect. It may disconnect. Yeah, guys, it already disconnected. I don't know if you saw it right there, but you see, it's disconnected. So the left side cannot function on its own. It disconnects. So you must have both of them out of the case. Then you can use them, you know, independently. But if you have the right side in the case, the left side will not work on its own. All right, but another cool feature that I do like about it, and I'm gonna zoom in on the tablet so you guys get a better view of the Bluetooth logo. There we go. All right, so another cool feature. So right out of the box, let's say, you know, you got these, your Bluetooth is always on your phone, and you just want to connect. This is how you connect, guys. Pop them out, take them out, lock your case, put it in your ear. In a couple seconds, it should pair. Oh, I disconnected. There we go, guys. It just paired. I mean, I wish I could show you it, but my tablet decided to just die on me. All right, or not die, just lock screen. All right, let's try it again. So we're gonna lock it up, and I'm guessing that's where the Bluetooth 5.0 is going to be showing its strength. All right, so you lock them, they disconnect automatically. It does take a second though. But here we go. It's disconnected. It's not disconnected yet. Why haven't you disconnected? There we go. Finally disconnected. All right. So when you want to reconnect, you just pop them open or pop it open. Take your earbuds out, and you guys are going to see it's just going to connect. It does take a few seconds, like it did to disconnect it. So there we go. Let's count it down. There we go, and you are connected. So that's pretty cool that you don't have to constantly put it in pairing mode, go to your phone or your device and hit it. It just pairs automatically. So that's a cool feature I like about it. That's kind of what sold me on it when I read up on it, on the reviews and stuff, that it does that automatic pairing. Because to me, that's a major plus for me, guys. And I think with that, that's all I have to say about these headphones. I give it a definitely thumbs up. Like I said earlier, the link will be in the description below in case you guys want to check them out. And until next time, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Share it, of course, if you feel this might help anyone. And until next time, I'll see you guys later.